students, today we see next point, that is application of an AP. Now we know that the formula is nth term of an AP is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. And what is the sum of n terms? We know formula sum of n terms is Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. By using this formula, we have to solve examples. That are the applications of AP. Practice set 3.4. First example. On 1st January 2016, Sanika decides to save rupees 10 on first day. There is correction. Rupees 10 on first day, rupees 11 on second day, rupees 12 on third day, and so on. If she decides to save like this, then on 31st December, that is last day of this year, 31st December 2016, what would be her total saving? That is, throughout the year, what would be her saving? Now here, first we write given. Sanika saves rupees 10 on first day, rupees 11 on second day, rupees 12 on third day, and so on. Therefore, now 10, 11, 12 and so on is a sequence. Now in this sequence, first term is equal to 10 and the common difference D is equal to 11 minus 10 is equal to 12 minus 11 is equal to 1, and 1 is a constant term. 1 a constant. Now A is the first term and D is a constant. Common difference, that is D is constant, then this is an AP. Therefore 10, 11, 12 and so on is an AP. That is, here A is equal to 10, D is equal to, here A is equal to 10, D is equal to 1. That is, common difference is 1. Now we have to find if she decides to save like this on 31st December 2016. Now we know that 2016 is a leap year. Why? Because divisor of this is 4. Therefore, it is a leap year. Now, the year 2016 is a leap year. Now 2016 is a leap year, and we know that leap year contains how many days? 360 days. Therefore 216 was a leap year. Now year 216 has 360 days. Therefore, year 216 has 360 days. That is it is a leap year. Therefore, what would be her total saving? We have to find her total saving. Here, therefore, we have to find her total saving, that is saving of all throughout the year, that is 360 days. Sum of 360. $366. Now we have to find yes 366. Now write down formula. Sum of n terms. Now sum of n terms, Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now here, what is the value of n? 366. Therefore, 366 is equal to 366 divided by 2 into bracket 2a. What is value of a? 10 plus n is 366 minus 1 into what is value of d? 1. Now here dividing by 2, 1, 8, 3. Now put value of 366. Now we have to find value of this. Therefore equal to 183 into bracket 2 into 10, 20 plus 360 minus 1 is 365 into 1, that is 365. Therefore, is equal to 183 into addition of this 385. Now take multiplication. 183 into 385. 15, 5, 41. 9. Nine. 24. 5. 5. 5. 70,455. This is value of 366. Therefore, write down answer. What would be her total saving? Therefore, her total saving equal to rupees 70,455. This is the answer. Write down question number 2. A man borrows rupees 8,000 and agrees to repay to repay with a total interest of rupees 1360 in 12 monthly installments each installment being less than the preceding one by rupees 40. Find the amount of the first and last installment. Now here a man borrows rupees 8,000 and agrees to repay with a total interest of rupees 1,360. He took 8,000 and repays interest 1,360 in 12 monthly installments, each installment being less than the preceding one by 40 rupees. Find the amount of first and last installment. Now here first write down. Now a man have to repay total amount. He borrows rupees 8,000 and interest is 1,360. Therefore the amount to be repaid, therefore the amount repaid is equal to rupees 8,000 plus rupees 1,360 is equal to rupees 9,360. That is, he have to repay total rupees 9,360. Now, in 12 months, monthly installments, the number of installments are 12. The number of installments are 12. Therefore, value of n is equal to 12. Value of n is 12. And this is the total amount he have to repay. Therefore, this is the S12 is equal to 9,360. S12 is equal to 9,360. Now, each installment being less than the preceding by rupees 40. Now, each installment is less than rupees 40 preceding 1. By preceding 1. Now each installment is less than rupees 40 by preceding 1. That is, next installment is more than rupees 40. Now here each installment is less than rupees 40 by preceding 1. Therefore D is equal to, common difference, D is equal to minus 40. This is a constant. Minus 40, it is a constant. Therefore it is an AP. It is an AP. Now we have to find first installment. We have to find the amount of first installment and last installment. First installment, that is value of A. Now write down formula for Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we know value of n is 12. Therefore S12 is equal to 12 upon 2 into bracket 2 into 2a plus value of n is 12 minus 1 into. Now what is value of d? Minus 40. Is equal to, now here dividing by 2 we get 6. Now put value of S12. Value of S12 is 9360 is equal to 6 into bracket 2a plus. Now 12 minus 1 is 11. 11 into minus 40, that is, or write down here 11 into minus 40. Dividing this by 6, 9360 divided by 6 is equal to 2a minus 11 into 4 is 44, 0. Now dividing this by 6, 1, here is 3, 5, 3, 6, 0. Therefore 1560 is equal to 2a minus 440. Therefore 2a is equal to 1560 minus becomes plus 440. 2a is equal to 0, 0, 0, 1, 2. Therefore a is equal to, dividing by 2, 2000 divided by 2, that is 1000. Value of A is 1000. Now this is, therefore this is the first, find the amount of first installment. Therefore the first installment is of rupees 1000. And we have to find last installment, means we have to find value of which term? Last installment, that is T12. And write down formula for Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into d. Put value of 12th installment, that is T12, is equal to A plus, A is 1000 plus n is 12 minus 1 into d is minus 40. 1000 plus 11 into minus 40. 1000 minus 440 is equal to 500 this is value of T12. Therefore, write down answer. Therefore, the amount of the first and last installment, therefore, the amount of the first installment is ₹1,000 and last installment is ₹560. This is the answer. Now question number 3. Question number 3. There is an auditorium. There is an auditorium with 27 rows of seats. There are 20 seats in the first row with now listen the example. There is an auditorium with 27 rows. Suppose this auditorium contains 27 rows. 27 rows of seats. There are 20 seats in the first row. In the first row there are 20 seats. In the first row 20 seats. In the second row 22 seats. In the third row 24 seats, and so on and so on. Find the number of seats in 15th row. There are total number of rows are 27. We have to find total number of seats in 15th row, and also find how many total seats are there in the auditorium. In this auditorium, total number of seats, we have to find this. Now we solve this example number 3. Now first write down given. There are 20 seats in a auditorium. In a auditorium, there are 20 seats. In the first row. 22 seats in the second row. 24 seats in the third row, and so on. Therefore, the numbers 20, 22, 24 and so on. Therefore, 20, 22, 24 and so on is a sequence. Is a sequence. Here, first term A is equal to 20, D is equal to 22 minus 20 is equal to 24 minus 20, 22, 22 minus 20, 24 minus 22 is equal to 2, constant. A is the first term and common difference is constant. Therefore, this sequence is an AP. Therefore, 20, 22, 24 and so on is an AP. Here, first term A is equal to 20 and D is equal to common difference 2. Now we have to find the number of seats in 15th row, that is T15. Number of seats in 15th row, that is T15. Now Tn is equal to, write down formula for Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. T15 is equal to value of A is 20 plus 15 minus 1 into D is 2 is equal to 20 plus 14 into 2, 20 plus 28. Therefore, T15 is equal to 48. Therefore, 15th row contains how many seats? 48 seats. And find the number of seats in 15th row and also find how many total seats are there in the auditorium. And write down formula for Sn. Sn equal to n upon 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we have to find total number of seats in the auditorium. There are how many rows? 27 rows. Therefore, we have to find S27. S27 is equal to 27 upon 2 into bracket 2 into A is 20 plus n is 27 minus 1 into D is 2 is equal to 27 upon 2 into bracket multiplication is 40 plus 27 minus 1 26 into 2 52 27 upon 2 into 92 dividing by 2 46 27 into 46. Therefore, S27 is equal to, now take multiplication 27 into 46. $1,242. 1,242. Therefore, write down answer. Therefore, find number of seats in the 15th row. Therefore, the number of seats in 15th row are 48 and find how many total seats are there in the auditorium and total number of seats in the auditorium are 1,242. 1,242. Let's check the answer. Correct. Thank you.